don't know. Here comes Nellie. Look at her. She's looking. She's looking.
No, you're afraid of a duck? Oh my word, that's so funny. The mother duck.
And this guy just let his buddy or his partner do the dirty work. No, he's just like stuck looking at him. Okay.
What is that, Nellie?
The score is the Ducks 1 and Nellie 0.
Come on. She's having fun. Oh my gosh. Look at her tail.
Yeah. Nellie's watching the action, saying, "Okay, Scarlett, go get him."
Mama duck, you are great.
Scarlett says, "I don't think so."
And the duck was the aggressive one.
I know. Well, the cats go up to the duck. The ducks.
No, it was just stand there and started chasing her. She's not afraid to defend herself. She heard them away. Herding cats. Jammer.
Nellie says, "I'm staying up here." And Pearl says, "Do I ever venture out there? I don't know."